welcome to my channel English Speaking with STS classes. I hope you all are doing well. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. So students, without not wasting much time, let's start the class. Today our class topic is correct use of since and for. What is the topic? Correct use of since and for, or difference between since and for. Okay, so since, where we use since, it is used to refer to a time that has begun in the past and still going on. Okay, what does that mean? It means it is referred to a time, that means the action has already started in the past and that action is still going on. That could be any activity as well, that could be any work as well. That it means the work has already started in the past and that work is still going on. Okay, we'll see one example. Children have been playing since evening. Yeah, children have been playing since evening means children have already started playing in the evening and they are still playing. Activity has already started and that activity is still going on. Any confusion? No. Second example, she has been studying since 5 o'clock. Means again, the action has already started at 5. It could be morning, it could be evening, and that action is still going on. Here, right? Time that has begun in the past and still going on. Action has already started, still going on. Yeah. So here we will use since, not for. Here. Second difference we will see between since and for. Generally used with perfect tense. Right? Since generally we use with perfect tense. Perfect means it could be present perfect, it could be present perfect, continuous, past perfect or past perfect continuous tense. Okay, we'll see example. You have been working here since you were 24 years. Right? Means when you were 24 years, you have been working here. You are still working here. So have been working. Which tense is this? Present perfect continuous tense. Right? Second example, I had lived in UK since I was born. Had lived. Which tense is this? Past perfect, right? I had lived in UK since I was born. So generally, since we use with perfect tenses. Correct? Any confusion till now? Okay. If you have any confusion, you can comment me in the comment box. Clear? Now, for. Where we use for, it is used to show duration of a time. Yeah? It is used to show duration of a time. That means we know that the work has started and we know the duration of that work. Example, for 2 years, for 10 minutes, for 6 months. So we know the duration when the work has started and when it has ended. Clear? For can be used with all the tenses. Right? As I told you, since can be used with perfect tenses majorly, generally. But for can be used with all the tenses. We'll see examples. Right? I study for 3 hours daily. I study for 3 hours daily. Which tense is this? Present indefinite. Right? So here we have used, what we have used? For. Right? Because I study daily for 3 hours. We know the duration. We know the duration for 3 hours. Clear? Second example. They are traveling for 5 hours today. They are traveling for 5 hours today. So which tense is this? Present perfect present continuous tense. they are traveling. Present continuous for 5 hours. So we know the duration. So that's why we have used for here. Any confusion? Okay. We'll see one more example. She has been living in UK for 2 years. See, I had lived in UK since I was born. Here we don't know the duration, exact duration. I was born, since then, I had lived in UK. But here we know she has been living in UK for 2 years. We know that it's been 2 years, right? So that's why we have used for here. We know the duration, right? So that's why we have used for, not since. Clear? Okay. Third difference, a period from start to end means here, if we talk about time, we know when the action has started and when it has ended. We know when action has started, when it has ended. But in since, we are not sure. We don't know about the end point of a action, of an action. We'll see one example. Children have been playing for 3 hours. That means we know when action has started and when and what is the exact duration. Suppose children have started playing around 5 o'clock in the evening and it's 8 o'clock. So that means 3 hours. It's been 3 hours. We know that it's been 3 hours. Children have been playing, right? But here in this example, children have been playing since evening. We don't know when exactly in evening children have started, right? Children have started playing. So we don't know about the exact duration here. But here we know that it's been 3 hours, right? So that's why a period from start to end, we know when the work has started, okay, and we know the end as well. But here we just know what? We just know the starting point of an action, not the end point. I hope this video is helpful for you. Yeah. Still, if you have any confusion, you can comment me in the comment box. Yeah. If you like this video, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. Share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.